When replacing a switch-to-CAN controller, first disconnect the power harness. Then remove your CAN bus harnesses. If one of your CAN bus ports has a terminating resistor in it, set this aside and save it for the replacement controller. Finally, remove your switch inputs from the spade terminals. Be sure to label them first, as this will make reassembly and programming go smoothly. Once your connections are removed, remove the screws securing the controller in place and remove the old controller. Place the new controller in the same location as the previous one and secure it. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this could break the brackets. Next, reconnect your CAN bus harnesses to re-establish communication with the rest of the system. Then, reconnect your switch input wires. Again, be sure to connect them in the same location as on the previous controller. Finally, reconnect your power harness. With everything reconnected successfully, you will need to enter into the configurator to program the new controller. First, turn your tablet on and select the MyRV control panel and enter your PIN when prompted. Next, tap the MyRV icon in the top left corner 5 times. Take note of your version number in the bottom right corner, as the last 4 digits will be the password you need to enter. Once the password has been input, the configurator icon will appear. Select this to enter programming. Once inside the configurator, select Show All Devices, and then from the drop-down, select Show All Devices. Select Unknown Switch Number 1, and then select Rename. You will then select Group. Under Group, you will select the switch you wish to label in that location. And then under Name, you will select which specific one you wish to label this relay as. When finished, press Send, and this will save your choices. You can see the icon change from Unknown to the label you chose. This will indicate you have been successful. Now, you will need to select the icon again, but this time you will select Build Circuit when it opens. To build the circuit, first select the icon from the item you labeled to that switch location. Then hit Select. Now select the switch you wish to tie to that function and select Build Circuit. When both icons show, the circuit has been built. Press the return arrow to go back to the devices page. If the device you are assigning switches to is a reversing polarity relay like a slide out, select your first switch and again select the group and name you wish to label for the switch. Repeat this for the second switch as well. Again, when done labeling, go back and select the first switch and select to build a circuit. First, scroll to find the item you wish to build a circuit for and select it. Next, select the first switch input and hit Select. Then tap the second switch input and press Build Circuit. When all 3 items appear, the circuit is finished building and you can return to the previous page. You may now continue with labeling and building circuits for other switch locations, or return to the home screen if you are finished.